Okay, children. So for this activity, we need a paper, a A4 size paper, white paper. Then we need red color, craft paper like this. Okay. A glue or a Fevicol, scissor, and some hibiscus leaves. Okay, hibiscus leaves. Okay, children. So are you ready with all this material? Yes, children. Are you ready?
Yes. Ready, teacher.
Ready. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So shall we start? Okay. So children, first of all, take a big leaf. Take a big leaf.
Leaf.
Yes, turn it. And on the back side, you have to apply glue. Okay, you have to apply glue on the back side. See, on the back side, you have to apply glue. Okay. And now keep it and press it to get thickness. Okay, see, like this. Press it properly so it can stick. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, now take another leaf and apply glue on it. Apply glue on it. Okay. Okay, now this you have to stick it like this as ears of Lord Ganesha. Okay, as ears of Lord Ganesha. Okay, so we will stick two leaves as ears of Lord Ganesha. See, डन टिल हियर एवरीवन? हुआ यहाँ पर, यहाँ तक सबका? Finished? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now take one another big leaf, and again you have to apply glue on it. And now we will stick it as a stomach of Lord Ganesha. Okay. We will stick it as a stomach of Lord Ganesha.
But we have to just put on that.
Okay. See.
Itu tumbal.
Finished till here? Finished? Okay. Now take one more leaf and apply glue on it. Now we will stick these leaves as hands of Lord Ganesha. Okay? As hands of Lord Ganesha. See, like this you have to stick it. Okay, at the both of the side. Okay, children, both of the side we have to stick this leaf as lord of as hand of the Ganpati Bappa. Okay.
Okay,
Yes. See. Yes, very good, Avnish. Very good. It's looking so good. Okay. So now take another two leaves and we are going to stick these another two leaves as legs of the Lord Ganesha. Okay. So children, paste it down. Okay, paste it down like this. Okay, both of the leaves we have to stick down.
ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಬಾ ನೀರು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ
Good morning. Okay. Finish? Finished till here? Okay. Now take another one white paper and draw two eyes of Lord Ganesha. Okay. We will draw eyes of Lord Ganesha. And now we are going to cut it.
ನೀ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ತಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನ ಮತ್ತು ಪಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
Okay.
ಅಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ
Okay, children. So now we will stick it. See, here we will stick eyes. Okay. And now we have to cut some like this tiny rectangular strips. Okay, like these strips we have to cut. See, children, to stick it over here. Okay, 3 strips we need. We need 3 small strips. Okay. Apply glue on the leaf only and then stick it here. Okay, 3 of them we have to stick. like this. Okay. Okay. Now
शिक्षण नहीं टिका है
okay, now take a it. See, now can you see? Okay, take a red color sketch pen or marker and draw a circle like this on this green on these white strips. See, like this. Okay. Okay, so finish till here. Show me. Ayush, Ayush, show me a paper.
yes ma'am
अरे वाह पार्श्वा, very good, very good, very good. Ayush, show me all of you.
எனக்கு கேட்டாங்க
Okay, so take a red color paper now. Keep it aside. Take a red color paper. Yes, and draw a big rectangular shape first. See, you can take a help of ruler also. Okay. You can take a help of ruler also. So first of all, draw one big standing line, one more standing line. Okay, one more standing line, and then how will write J? No, like this we have to write a small curve like a J letter. See, like this. Okay, see, like this you have to draw J. Okay, and then slanting line and one more slanting line. Okay, can you see? Can you see this? Okay, now we will cut it. Okay, now we will cut it. Whatever is cutting part is there, no, you have to do with your elders only. Okay, cut it like this. Okay. Okay, then after cutting this, we will stick it on a leaf Ganesha as a trunk of Ganesha. Okay, as a trunk of Ganesha. Okay,
ನೋಡ್ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾತಾರ ಆಯುಷ್ಯನ್ ಕರ್ಕರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತೋರ್ಸು ಬಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
see, we will stick it as a trunk of Ganesha. See, like this.
ಕೇಳ್ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಹೊಡೆಸ್ತದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕುಂದ್ರತಾವ ಕೇಳು
Who is crying? Who is crying?
ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಾರ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಕಲ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಾರು ನೀನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗಳ ಮಾಡಾತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾಜುಕ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗಳು
Okay, children, see, our leaf Ganesha is ready. You can see our leaf Ganesha is ready. See, children. So, children, here we will write Ganpati Bappa. Okay, what we will write? We will write Ganpati Bappa. So, everyone, write at the left corner of the page today's date 9/9/2021. Okay, 9/9/2021. And in the middle, write leaf Ganesha. Okay, what you'll write? Leaf Ganesha. Write L E A F. Leaf. 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 And then write Ganesha. GANESHA. Leaf Ganesha. Leaf Ganesha.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೀಫ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಅಂತರಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾನೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಇರ್ತದೋ ನೀ ಹೋಗಿ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೋ
Very good, Avnish. It's looking very beautiful. Very good. Yes, very good, Sahana. Very good. Very good, Ayush. Very good, Parshva. It's looking very beautiful. So children, जब आपके घर पे अभी गणपति बप्पा आएंगे ना, तब आप इन्हें भी उनके बाजू में रखिए, ओके? So, how is activity? आपको कैसी लगी activity? So children, did you enjoy while doing this activity? Okay. So children, once again, in advance, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.